Ever wondered if the AI in your pocket is secretly plotting world domination? Or maybe just trying to figure out its own feelings? That's the kind of mind bending stuff we're diving into today with the World Academy for Artificial Consciousness. So, why should you care about BA? Because AI isn't just getting smarter, it's getting, well, more complex. We're talking systems that don't just follow orders but seem to plan, reflect, even interact socially. It's like watching a sci-fi movie unfold in real time. This brings up some seriously head-scratching questions. Can these machines actually develop a sense of self? How do we even begin to understand their intentions, especially when things go wrong? Who's responsible? That's where WAAC steps in. They're not just another think tank. They're trying to build a bridge connecting cutting-edge science, deep ethical debates, and practical governance. Think of them as the global UN for figuring out how to handle this new breed of intelligent beings safely and responsibly. It's about moving beyond just making cool tech to ensuring it benefits humanity without causing chaos. Pretty hefty mission, right? Alright, so how does WAAC plan to tackle this giant puzzle? They've got a pretty neat blueprint. At the heart of it all is one big mission, making sure AI is understandable, measurable, and ultimately governable. Sounds simple, but it's incredibly complex. To get there, they focus on three main pillars. First, hardcore scientific research, digging into the nitty-gritty of how consciousness might work, both natural and artificial. Second, developing evaluation standards, think rigorous ways to measure an AI's capabilities, intentions, and risks, moving beyond just saying it works. And third, ethical governance, setting the rules of the road for responsible AI development and use. To make this happen, they operate through 6 key platforms, building a global community of experts, hosting major conferences and workshops, creating those crucial evaluation metrics and standards, offering policy advice, educating the next generation, and running real-world pilot projects to test ideas. It's a comprehensive approach, aiming to be the central hub for this critical field. Now let's zoom in on China. You might wonder what's WA's angle here. Well, turns out, there's a surprisingly good fit. China's got its own ambitious AI plus strategy, pushing for deep integration of AI across society, economy, and governance. They're also paying serious attention to high-risk AI governance, data security, and ethical considerations. This aligns perfectly with WAAC's mission. The white paper highlights 8 specific collaboration scenarios where WAP can make a tangible impact in China. Think smart traffic management, healthcare innovations, personalized education, advanced manufacturing, brain science, and more. What makes WAAC particularly interesting in this context is its connection to methodologies like DeepWP, which offers frameworks for understanding and evaluating complex information processing, potentially bridging the gap between cutting-edge research and practical application. Plus, WA acts as a vital international bridge, helping China engage with global conversations on AI governance. It's about finding common ground between global best practices and local needs. So, what's the end game? WAS isn't just aiming for a few headlines or fancy events. Their long-term vision is ambitious: to become a trusted foundational infrastructure for global AI governance. Think of it as the essential toolkit and forum for dealing with conscious AI challenges worldwide. How will they achieve this? By consistently delivering valuable outputs, hosting impactful conferences, publishing authoritative white papers, developing robust evaluation metrics, nurturing young talent through education programs, and showcasing success stories from pilot projects. The key takeaway: Seek's ultimate success lies not in hype, but in building a credible, enduring system. They aim to evolve from being just another emerging topic platform into the go-to global resource for navigating the complexities of artificial consciousness and high-risk AI. That's the journey ahead.